model, 2018 Ford Transit 350 body, white, panel van mileage, 198316 MOT, the 25th of January 2024 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.